the toughest challenge. See this water bottle? Here you go, here, take this. You will make something like an arrow with these materials. And this will be the bow to launch your arrow. You'll shoot with it and pierce the bottle. So the arrow you make, the thing you create, must pierce the bottle. Whoever succeeds will win $100. Will win.
Just $100.
Here are the materials. Go ahead, start. Okay, fine. No, one for me, one for you. No, one was in front of me, one for me, and one for the books. I took them first.
All right, fine. Go ahead. Here are all the rubber bands. Okay.
Saif, what did you pick? Finally, Nano and I agreed. I took 4 rubber bands, a bottle cap, and this is my skewer. After a long, drawn-out fight with my sister Hadil, I felt I wouldn't need these, so I'll return them and take these too.